Today, we're diving under the sea on Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage at Disneyland. Hop aboard with us and let's see what adventures we'll find. There we go on Finding Nemo.
G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you on board. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. Dive. Trim out diving planes, 3 degrees. Plug the main ballast tanks. Take it out easy. Catch your intent fathoms. Speed 06 or 100 knots. Steer 30 degrees. All ahead full, steady as she goes. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain. Lost City, dead ahead, sir.
Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
There's not much to see on the surface of the ocean, but here below lies a strange and mysterious world filled with diverse creatures and a complex topography of plains, trenches, mountains, and even volcanoes. In fact, our destination today is a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. Catcher at the sea, amazing fact taken through Australia's Great Barrier. No worries, you'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off and hold at 80 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
Marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you? Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. I'm more explorers. It's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out that sea?
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Vinnie Marlin.
This is fun! We're gonna hit the
Nemo! Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo! I am looking for my son.
I can help.
It's Nemo!
Where?
No, that's why you like to cut.
By who?
My son Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who?
No, Bruce, remember the pledge.
Right. I am a live shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't want one of these balloons to pop you.
Steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full. I don't know. Race you there. Okay, go.
Dory? Dory?
Wait.
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
Boys, stop playing games!
Come on, it's fun. Boy.
No, Dory! We're invited to a party. Let's go!
I love parties.
Finding Nemo!
Right behind you.
I'm so worried!
You guys gotta stay right.
Nemo, say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, when fish can fly.
I'm not Chico. Nemo! It's Nemo!
Thanks for diving in with us. Be sure to check out our other Disneyland ride POVs and subscribe for more family adventures.